Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change offline map storage location in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change offline maps default storage location on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings icon. Now click on Apps. In left pane, you will find offline maps. Click on offline maps. Here you will find an option storage location, and by default the location is selected here, C drive. You can change the offline map storage location. Just click on the drop down menu here, and here I am going to select the offline map storage location drive D. There isn't enough storage space on drive D. I'm going to change and select drive E. Now look, local drive E is selected as offline maps storage location. This is the easiest way to change default storage location for offline maps in Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.